The views expressed on this video are that of Gunnar Esiason and guests, and not necessarily those of the Gunnar Esiason Foundation. Nothing in this video should be considered medical advice.
Hey, it's Gunnar Esiason here for another Cystic Fibrosis step-by-step video. Emotional health is a newly emphasized area of cystic fibrosis care. We've always felt that in order to maximize CF care, that you have to maximize the three different areas of CF care, which are respiratory health, nutritional health, and emotional health. The vast majority of people with cystic fibrosis deal with emotional health in one way or another. People with CF are at risk of depression, anxiety, and stress. Every patient, regardless of age, gender, or where they live, can deal with emotional health issues and cystic fibrosis. It's important to be open and candid with the care team. It's also something for parents to watch out for their kids. For me, a trigger of my anxiety is going on different medications, potential allergies to medications, and procedures. Sometimes I find that anxiety does get in the way of my day, which is why it's something that I actively try to treat, just like any other symptom in CF, right? If I have breathing issues, if I'm not absorbing food properly, those are symptoms of the disease that I'm going to treat. My emotional health is something that I treat the same way. If I'm having an issue in one area, it's something that I look at with my doctor and figure out a treatment plan. For me, anxiety is dealt with like a symptom of cystic fibrosis. I have effective coping mechanisms, and I also medicate when appropriate as recommended by my doctor. Ultimately, what it comes down to is having a great relationship with the care team and then open, candid conversation about anxiety and stresses at all points of the disease. If you're concerned about your emotional health, it's important to ask for an emotional screening from your cystic fibrosis clinic.
The views expressed on the Cystic Fibrosis Step-by-Step with Gunnar Esiason videos are that of Gunnar Esiason and guests, and not necessarily those of the Gunnar Esiason Foundation. Nothing in the Cystic Fibrosis Step-by-Step with Gunnar Esiason videos should be considered medical advice. Such advice can only be given by a physician who is experienced with cystic fibrosis. The Gunnar Esiason Foundation, Gunnar Esiason and guests cannot be held responsible for any damage which may result from using the information on this video without the permission of your medical doctor. Thank you for watching Cystic Fibrosis Step-by-Step with Gunnar Esiason, presented by the Gunnar Esiason Foundation at GunnarEsiason.com.